Google has an announcement. Your future in SEO depends on it. Seriously, it's pretty critical to hear what Google is saying about their latest update, because if you don't optimize your site accordingly, you might see drops in traffic and rankings. So here's everything you need to know. How AI understands user intent and how to optimize for it. Now, before we dive into the details, I want to answer one of the most important questions. What is user intent? Well, let's imagine you run a bakery and people use search engines to find your website. One day, you notice two different searches that bring customers to your site. First, best chocolate chip cookies near me. Second, order birthday cakes online. Even though you sell both of those things, how you show up in search results will differ based on what the customer wants. In this case, the first search shows intent to purchase because the customer wants to make a quick decision and buy right away. They're ready to go. On the other hand, the second search indicates that the customer is looking for something more specific. They have an upcoming birthday to shop for and need inspiration or a way to order easily. So, which one should you prioritize? Well, the key is to think like a search engine. You need to anticipate what people are going to do next after they click on your site and serve up the pages they're most likely to interact with. And that's what we mean by intent. The death of old SEO. Now, not long ago, SEO was a game of keyword stuffing and backlink hunting. If you could pack enough keywords into a page and get links, you'd rank. But today, that playbook doesn't work anymore. Search engines have grown smarter, thanks to artificial intelligence. As I mentioned earlier, Google's algorithms are now trained to understand user intent. Instead of just matching words, they look at meaning. When someone types best running shoes, the intent could be looking for reviews, searching for nearby stores, comparing prices. AI helps search engines figure that out. Why user intent matters. If your content doesn't match intent, you won't rank, even with strong keywords. That's why businesses must focus on content quality. Does your page really solve a problem? Voice search optimization. People ask Google and Siri questions differently than they type. User experience, UX. A fast, clear, mobile-friendly site matters. EEAT principles. Show expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. How to optimize for intent research, not just keywords, but search intent categories. Informational, navigational, transactional, commercial. Write content that answers questions in natural, conversational ways. Use structured data and FAQs for voice search. Measure engagement. Do people stay, click, and trust you? The rise of AI. Now that you know what user intent is, let's talk about how AI fits into the picture. Like I alluded to earlier, traditional SEO tactics have changed thanks to AI. No longer can you rely on stuffing keywords into your content and hoping for the best. Instead, you need to take a more sophisticated approach that considers user intent. Here's how AI shapes modern SEO. Understanding language. AI-powered tools break down the nuances of language to better understand context, synonyms, and even slang. This allows search engines to match queries with the most relevant results, even if the keywords aren't an exact match. Personalization. AI analyzes user behavior, location, and demographics to deliver tailored search results. This means your content may rank differently for different users based on their individual needs. Voice search optimization. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, voice search has become increasingly popular. AI plays a crucial role in understanding spoken language and delivering accurate results. This shift has made it essential for businesses to optimize their content for voice search queries. Measuring and adapting. AI-driven analytics provide valuable insights into user behavior and search performance. By tracking metrics such as click-through rates, average position, and time on page, businesses can measure the effectiveness of their SEO strategies and adapt as needed. So, if you're wondering how AI understands user intent, the answer is through advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities. AI analyzes vast amounts of data, including search queries, user behavior, and website content to determine the intent behind a search. It does this by recognizing patterns and relationships between words, understanding context and semantics, and analyzing user interaction signals such as click-through rates and time on page. By leveraging these techniques, AI-powered search engines can provide users with relevant and high-quality results that meet their specific intent. Let's look at some real-world examples of how AI is being used to understand user intent and optimize search results. Example 1. Product reviews. Let's say a user searches for best wireless headphones. AI will analyze the query to determine that the intent is to find a list of recommended products. It will then scan product pages and reviews to identify the most highly rated headphones and present them to the user. Example 2. Local businesses. Consider a user searching for coffee shops near me. AI will use the user's location data to identify nearby coffee shops and analyze reviews and ratings to provide the most popular options. Example 3. Weather information. When a user searches for weather forecast for London, AI will understand that the intent is to obtain timely and location-specific information. It will then retrieve the latest weather data and display a detailed forecast for London. Example 4. Stock quotes. Imagine a user searching for Apple stock price. AI will quickly retrieve the current stock price for Apple and present it to the user, providing a concise and up-to-date financial data. Example 5. Recipe suggestions. Let's say a user searches for easy chicken recipes. AI will analyze the query to understand that the intent is to find simple and accessible cooking instructions. It will then search for recipes that include chicken and filter them based on complexity and user reviews. By leveraging AI-powered search, users can quickly find the information or products they're looking for, while businesses can reach their target audience more effectively through relevant and timely search results. But remember, AI is constantly evolving and improving, which means the SEO landscape is always changing. So stay informed about the latest updates and best practices to ensure your website remains visible and discoverable in the ever-evolving world of online search. Here's what you need to know about the death of old SEO and the rise of AI-driven search. Old SEO tactics no longer work due to advancements in AI. Traditional methods like keyword stuffing and link farming are ineffective and may harm your website's performance. To succeed in the new SEO landscape, focus on providing high-quality, relevant content that satisfies user intent. Conduct thorough keyword research considering search intent and optimize your content accordingly. Ensure your website offers a positive user experience with fast loading times, clear navigation, and mobile responsiveness. Build your authority by earning backlinks from reputable websites and promoting your content across various channels. Don't forget to track and analyze your SEO performance regularly to adapt your strategies as needed. Remember, the key to success in the ever-changing world of SEO is to stay informed, adapt quickly, and prioritize the user experience. By embracing the changes brought by AI and focusing on delivering exceptional online experiences, you can set your website up for success and thrive in the competitive digital landscape. I hope this video gave you some insight on how AI understands user intent and how you can optimize your website accordingly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Don't forget to connect with me on social media. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.